Hello students, I am back with you with your supplementary reader A Pact with the Sun, class 6th. So you have the first chapter, A Tale of Two Birds. So before I start this lesson, do you know the meaning of tale? Tale or not? I will tell you. Tale means a short story. So this story is very interesting. This story was about the bird and her young ones. I will tell you in brief. A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm and young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. So this I will tell you in short. Now I will explain you in detail. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall shady tree, and their mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. So I think you know all of that birds always made their nest on the tree, and mother bird fed them with food, milk, water, and other things, as like your mother. At home, your mother take care of you. So, like this, bird's mother take care of her young ones. What happened one day? There was a huge storm, thundering, lightning, rain. Did you know what happened with bird? One day there was a big storm, there was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. Means wind blew so heavily that they pull out the trees, and all the trees fall on the earth. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. What happened to that tree on which the mother bird lived with their young ones? That tree also fall down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. So mother bird was killed and her babies found a different home. So fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to other side of the forest. So their mother bird dead and their young ones flew away in different directions. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. So heavy wind take one bird to the cave where robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away, and other bird went to Rishi's ashram. Days passed and baby birds became big. So due to fall of the time, the baby birds now become big birds. So what happened one day? The king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. So king of that country came to hunt deer in the forest, but unfortunately he lost his way. And where he rode now? He rode on for a long time, very tired by now. He got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. So king was very tired. He reached near a cave where one of young one started living there. He tied his horse with tree and took some rest under the tree. But what happened? King was very shocked. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. So king was very surprised to see that brown big bird while saying all this, "Come and take his jewel and horse." He stood up and took off his horse and rode on for other side. Soon he came to Rishi's ashram. After that, the king reached to Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Again, same thing happened with king. Soon the king came to Rishi's ashram. He tied his horse to a tree, sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The Rishi will be back soon." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree. "This one looks like the other bird in the tree," he said to himself loudly. So what happened here, students? Again, king listened the same voice of the bird, but this time the voice of the bird was very gentle, and he welcomed the king in the ashram. King was very amazed to see the same bird, but having a different attitude. The bird answered, "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as do. He does not talk to me any more." When bird saw that king was very amazed, then bird answered that he is his brother, but he never talk with him. The king told the rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. So students, when the rishi came to the ashram and king told the whole story of two birds, and what happened, that holy man, that rishi, smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram." Now here that rishi clarify whole the thing, whole the attitude of two birds, why two birds happened differently, because one bird always heard the voice of robbers and their talks and talked them like, and this bird always heard the rishi and he talked like rishi. So moral of the story, one is known by the company one keeps. So this With this, I am going to finish your this chapter, One Tales of Two Birds. I think you enjoy the story. Thanks.